Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel. Today topic is the War of 1857 and its effects in human life. So let's start. The War of 1857, also known as the First War of Indian Independence, was a major rebellion against British rule in India. It began on May 10, 1857 in the city of Meerut when Indian soldiers in the British Army refused to use new rifle cartridges believed to be coated with cow and pig fat, which offended both Hindu and Muslim religious beliefs. The small spark soon turned into a large-scale uprising, spreading to many parts of the northern and central India. Many Indian kings, soldiers, and ordinary people joined the fight because they were unhappy with British rule, unfair treatment, and the disrespect shown toward Indian traditions. Famous leaders like Mangal Pandey, Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi, and Bahadur Shah Zafar became symbol of resistance. Although the rebels fought bravely, the British had better weapons and more resources. After months of bloody battles, the British finally crushed the revolt in 1858. The war ended in failure of the Indians, but it had serious effects on human life across the country. The lives of people were destroyed during the war. Thousands of men, women, and children lost their lives. Entire villages and towns were buried and damaged. Many people lost their homes and property, and families were torn apart. Hunger and poverty spread because farming and trade stopped in the affected areas. Education and normal life came to be halt. People, in particular, suffered greatly due to violence and fear. Many children became orphans, and the pains of loss stayed with families for years. After the war, the British government took full control of India from the East Indian Company. Queen Victoria made promises to treat Indians fairly, but in reality, Indians continued to face discrimination. The British also started using a divide and rule, creating divisions among Indians based on religion and caste. This caused more problems in society in the long run. Although the rebellion did not succeed, it became the starting point of the Indian freedom movement. It taught people the value of unity and the importance of fighting for their rights. Brave fighters from the war became heroes in Indian history. This courage is remembered in books, songs, and stories. The War of 1857 showed the high cost of freedom and the strength of united people. It left behind a painful memory but also inspired future generations to continue the struggle for independence.